Welcome to News Moment English. I am your host Ohana, presenting you today's news headlines. Calcutta High Court orders 1% reservation for transgender persons in public employment. The sensation in the area centered on the discovery of a body of a newborn baby in the dustbin. Maharashtra woman falls in gorge and died while reversing car for shooting reel. AITUC demands withdrawal of government notification. Threat to bomb government hospital, university in Kolkata. Demand for compensation. Protest in a private factory in Madhukunda. Demand for complete investigation. This news is sponsored by RICIS institutions. On Sunday, June 16, a bike rider died after his bike collided with a Bolero vehicle on the road from Madhukunda to Shorbori. The name of the bike rider is Chanchal Roy. His residence is Shunuri village under Shaturi police station of Purulia district. His present residence is Raghunathpur town of Purulia district. The deceased was a transport businessman by profession. His office was in Madhukunda. On the way home on last Sunday, a Bolero vehicle of a private Madhukunda factory going from Madhukunda to Shorbori collided with a vehicle. Chanchal Roy was seriously injured. From there, the local people took him first to Nituria Block Health Center and then to Raghunathpur Super Speciality Hospital, where doctors declared Chanchal Roy brought dead. According to police sources, the post-mortem of the body was done in Purulia. The driver and the vehicle were arrested by the police of Nituria and Shaturi police stations. In the same connection, today the family members of the deceased and the villagers protested as the private factory located in Madhukunda. To deal with the agitators, the police of Saturi police station, then SDPO of Raghunathpur subdivision, circle inspector and a large number of police forces reached the spot, and on the assurance of the police, the agitators ended their agitation for the time being. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। तो कहाँ है मछलियाँ और कहाँ रखा जाए पानी? तो एक्वेरियम ही में छुपी है ये सारी कहानी। आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम, जहाँ आपको मिलेंगी हर तरह की मछलियाँ और बेहतरीन एक्वेरियम। आपको आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम में मिल जाएंगी हर तरह के एक्वेरियम इक्विपमेंट, जैसे फिल्टर स्टोन और फिशेस की हर वैरायटी। एक ही नाम, आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम, BNR मोड़, अपोजिट रविंद्र भवन, शॉप नंबर 22। फॉर कॉन्टैक्ट कॉल ऑन 9609 77 3040।
Bomb threats on mail. Many institutions, including colleges and hospitals of Mumbai, received bomb threats on mail. This part of the news piece is sponsored by TVS PSG. Over 50 hospitals and a college in Mumbai on Tuesday received bomb threats via email, officials said. Several hospitals across the city, including Jaslok Hospital, Raheja Hospital, Seven Hills Hospital, Kohinoor Hospital, KEM Hospital, JJ Hospital, and St. George Hospital, have received bomb threats via email. According to police, the renowned hospitals received threatening emails claiming that bombs had been planted under the beds and in bathrooms, which could destroy the hospitals upon detonation. The police also confirmed that the threatening emails were sent to all these hospitals using a VPN network. Initial investigation revealed that the threatening emails were sent from a website named Beeble.com. Each email was individually crafted and sent to more than 50 hospitals, an official said. Upon receiving the threats, the hospitals immediately notified the police. Subsequently, police and bomb disposal squads conducted thorough searches in the hospital bed but did not find any suspicious objects. The police have not yet identified the sender of the emails, nor have they ascertained the motive behind these threats. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
स्कूल ट्यूशन के लिए कहीं और मत ही जाओ।
जॉर्ज एकेडमी जाओ,
क्योंकि जॉर्ज एकेडमी सिर्फ ट्यूशन सेंटर नहीं है। यहाँ पढ़ाई है, पिकनिक है, फन है और एनुअल इवेंट्स भी है।
और हम यहाँ बोर नहीं होते हैं।
साथ साथ हमारे मार्क्स भी इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं और हमारे सारे स्कूल के टॉपर्स भी यही हैं।
इतना ही नहीं, यहाँ संस्कार भी मिलता है।
तो फिर ट्यूशन नहीं, जॉर्ज एकेडमी जाओ।
Threat to bomb Government Hospital, University in Kolkata. This news piece is sponsored by Hillview Hospital. As per reports from Israr Ahmed, Kolkata police has started investigating the matter after a bomb threat was issued to a government hospital and a major university in the capital of West Bengal. According to official information, officials of SSKM Medical College and Hospital in South Kolkata and Ravindra Bharati University on the northern outskirts of the city today received separate emails claiming the presence of timer bombs in both the institutions. A police officer said that a private university had also received a similar bomb threat. Sources said that police and the bomb disposal squads reached the places where there were bomb threats. Till the time of writing the news, nothing suspicious has been found anywhere. However, the police have not yet termed the threats received through email as rumors. The police is busy locating the accused on the basis of email address that sent the threat. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Priya Cosmetic near Minar Cake Shop, GT Road, Asansol 1.
আমাদের শপের নাম আসানসোল প্রিয়া কসমেটিক্স। আমাদের শপ হচ্ছে মিনার কেক শপের ভেতরে। আমাদের শপে সমস্ত রকমের কসমেটিক্স প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে, যেমন মেবলিন, কালার বার, সুগার, ল্যাকমি, প্লাম, লোটাস, এছাড়াও সমস্ত রকম প্রফেশনাল প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে। আর আমাদের দেখুন নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে এখানে, এই নাম্বারে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারেন। আমাদের হোম ডেলিভারি প্রোভাইড করা হয়।
Our contact number 9563404288 and 8918940868.
Drunk fight, 2 people died due to injuries in that incident. This news piece is sponsored by ASP. As per reports from Wasim Khan, it happened in New Gosik Colliery area of Asansol South Police Station. After the incident came to light on Tuesday morning, sensation spread in the entire area. The names of both the deceased are Nimai Chandra Dotto of New Gosik Colliery of Asansol South Police Station area and Ujjwal Haddar of Murshidabad. The post-mortem of both the bodies was done at Asansol District Hospital on Tuesday. However, the police have registered 2 cases of unusual death in this incident and are investigating the exact reason for the fight. According to police sources, Nimai Chandra Datto of New Ghusi Kolyari of Asansol South Police Station and Ujjwal Haldar of Murshidabad are masons by profession. Like every day on Monday night too, he was sitting in a field in New Goshik Kolyari area and drinking alcohol. Later that they had a fight over some issue. Then at around 11:30 p.m., people of the area saw him lying unconscious in the field. Asansol South Police Station was informed. Later, police reached the area. Both were brought to Asansol District Hospital. There, the doctor examined both of them and declared them dead. Stay tuned for more news after the break. AITUC demands withdrawal of government notification. This news piece is sponsored by Shine Academy. Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India has published 5 notifications in the Gazette of India on 14th June 2024. Fund scheme, pension scheme, EDLI scheme, etc. These amendments reduced the penal charges imposed against employer who default or delay contributions to their schemes. AITUC condemns this ease of doing business policy on the above grounds. The Central Board of Trustees of Employees Provident Fund Organization has been kept in the dark about these amendments and the rationale for improving compliance by employers by reducing penalties for the default. There is no justification for this. AITUC demands that the said notifications will be withdrawn and the government strictly respect tripartism. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Anglo-Indian Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities. Classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
Maharashtra woman falls in gorge and died while reversing car for shooting a reel. This news piece is sponsored by Angel Vidya Mandir. A woman of Maharashtra lost her life on Monday after her car fell into a 300 feet deep gorge as her friend was shooting a reel for social media. The incident took place near Dutt Dham Temple Hill, and a related video has now gone viral on the internet. The 23-year-old girl has been identified as Shweta Survase from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. The girl mistakenly pressed the accelerator instead of the brake as she drove her Toyota Etios car in reverse near the gorge. The car was about 50 meters from the edge of the cliff. But as the girl kept reversing, the car sped up. Her friend told her to slow down and tried to stop her, but the car went over the cliff. The woman was not an experienced driver and was trying her hand behind the wheels just for the sake of shooting the reel, as per reports. It took an hour for rescuers to reach her and the vehicle. She was declared dead on arrival at the nearby hospital. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Rekha Matching. Please step in for all kinds of colorful matching poplin rubia, fancy dupattas, other fancy dress materials. TP Market, Asansol. For more information, please contact 96356400.
Hamare Bara will be released. Bombay High Court gives permission. This news is sponsored by B&M Coaching Center. As per reports of Santraj Prasad, the Bombay High Court has given permission to release the film Hamare Bara today with some changes. Regarding the film, the court has also said that there is nothing against the Muslim community in the film, but there may be objections regarding some scenes. After this, the court asked both the parties to talk to each other and find a solution. Earlier, actor Anup Kapoor's film was to be released on June 7, but due to controversies, the film could not be released. In the petition against this film, along with the Islamic faith, it was also accused of insulting Muslim women. Let us tell you that in Tuesday's hearing, the Bombay High Court had given orders to mute some dialogues. Besides, the court has raised objection on its trailers and imposed a fine of rupees 5 lakh on the producer. The court said that the film is contrary to the trailer and gives a good social message. Stay tuned for more news after the break. The sensation in the area centered on the discovery of the body of a newborn baby in dustbin. This news piece is sponsored by Infocom. As per reports from Sanjeevan Gop, the body of a newborn baby was found in a dustbin in Rambagan, ward number 34 of Raniganj West Burdhawan, causing a stir in the area. After seeing a newborn baby wrapped in plastic lying in a dustbin next to Royal Ground, the people of the area gathered around the dustbin to see the baby. When the Punjabi More outpost of Raniganj police station was informed about this, the police immediately reached the spot and discovered the body of the newborn baby. Locals initially speculated that someone dumped the dead baby in the dustbin after giving birth, but many have also claimed that it did so to hide his sins. Police have started investigating the incident. Stay tuned for more news after the break. Calcutta High Court orders 1% reservation for transgender person in public employment. The Calcutta High Court has directed the West Bengal government to ensure 1% reservation for transgender person in all public employment in the state. Nothing that the state government adopted a policy of equal treatment in employment to transgenders. The court said the reservation has, however, not yet been made for them. Justice Rajshekhar Mantha directed the Chief Secretary of the West Bengal government to ensure 1% reservation for transgender in all the public employment. The High Court order was passed on the petition by a transgender person who succeeded in the Teachers Eligibility Test 2014 and also in the TET 2022 but was not called for counseling or interview. It is to be noted that the Supreme Court had declared in a 2014 case that Hijras and eunuch, apart from binary genders, be treated as third gender for the purpose of safeguarding their rights under Part 3 of the Constitution. The Apex Court had also upheld transgender persons' right to decide their self-identified gender and directed the center and state governments to grant legal recognition of their gender identity, such as male, female, or as third gender. The Sharbat of Love was distributed in Asansol. Rahul Gandhi's 54th birth anniversary is being celebrated with great enthusiasm all over the country. On this occasion, Love Sharbat was distributed in Asansol city of West Bengal. Congress leader Shah Alam Proshenjit Putandi says that our Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, it is his 54th birth anniversary. Today we were distributing the Sharbat of Love and giving jaggery, sweet gram and sweet water to the passerby. Congress also wants to give a message that we should live together, and that is why this Sharbat has been named the Sharbat of Love. Politics is our separate fight, but love is there. It should be done only for the love of the human being. Now, finally, it's time for the SMS of the moment.
Share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563 830